As you can see, my curls are very defined. Hey guys, welcome back to Napturalx2. In today's video, I will be trying out, finally, the Texture ID styling cream. I went to Sally's this weekend and I picked up the Texture ID leave-in and the cream. They were buy one, get one free. And even without that promotion, guys, these are very affordable. I think they were $8.99 each or something around that price point. I'll put the actual price down below. As you can see, my hair is styled in a wash and go, and I really love these products, guys. This styling cream gave my hair definition plus elasticity. Like, my hair has movement, it has body, and it's very moisturized. It doesn't feel dry at all. Let's see what these products claim to do. The leave-in conditioner says it promotes moisture and softness, and that's definitely true. My hair is moisturized and it is also very soft. And the styling cream says that it provides medium hold while retaining moisture and elasticity. And as you can see, my hair has bounce, it has movement, and it looks great. So let me show you the back. So yeah, I love these products. They were very easy to use. So I started each section by spraying the leave-in and then taking my Denman brush and smoothing it through, and then I went in with the Texture ID styling cream and I kind of finger detangled, and then I shingled each little section. And as you're applying it, it looks like there's a white coating on your hair, and that might not go away, but this is my hair fully dried, and as you can see, there is no white residue. So yeah guys, I am loving these products. If you're interested in seeing how I got my hair to look like this, keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more hair videos and click the thumbs up button if you enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get to styling my hair. Guys, I've never seen my hair twirl up like this. Isn't that cute? So I really love these results. My hair is defined, it's soft, and it looks fabulous. This is the back. Guys, these two products are definitely Natural Times 2 approved. They're actually my new favorite. Bye guys.